This 2023 CrossRoads Redwood RW4150RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new CrossRoads is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 6, skylight, LP detector, oven, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, spare tire kit, slideout, TV, DVD player, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 CrossRoads Redwood RW4150RD is 15,824 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.